Seko brought new houses for his wives. He take a loan. Guys, it's too much. The 5 of them, and those houses are very expensive. You understand? That's why we saw Mayeni, and Mayeni, she was at new house with a swimming pool. You understand? So Msamseleku, he take a loan for his wives to get new houses at suburbs. So guys, their children, they want to stay in suburbs. They don't want to stay at Muzumbe because Muzumbe is like a village. So those kids, they want to stay at suburbs like Himayeni's children, Macele's children. Macele, she stayed at suburbs. You understand? Macele stayed at Sipak. Sipak is suburb. You understand? But she wants a new house. She wants a new house because Macele, she have got one. So guys, Macele, she already stayed at Sipak. So Msamseleku, he asked Macele, why you want another house? Because you are already staying at suburbs. You understand? But she wants another house at suburbs. The other one, like other wives. You understand? Because guys, Msamseleku, he can say Macele, she stayed at suburbs, so she can't have another house. No, it can't, because she is a wife, guys. She deserves to have another house, the second house. You understand? Like other wives. So guys, it's too much. The 5 of them. So Msamseleku take a loan. He take a loan, guys. It's too much because those houses are so expensive. But Makumalo, she was already built her house with her own money. You understand? Because Msamseleku had a conversation with Makumalo, but Makumalo says she wants to surprise Msamseleku with the new home. She wants to surprise Msamseleku with the new home because Makumalo, she was already built that house without Msamseleku. Makumalo, she have got a lot of money, guys. She can't wait for a man like Macele. Macele says she wants a house. So Msamseleku, he have to start down with Macele, because Macele, she doesn't work. You understand? Like Makumalo and Mayeni. Makumalo, she was already built that house because Makumalo, guys, she is that independent person. You understand? She can't wait for a man because Makumalo, she wants to surprise Msamseleku. But Msamseleku had a conversation that he wants to buy new houses but Mangwabe, I don't know Mangwabe, because Mangwabe, she wants to leave the marriage. We don't know, because she wants a divorce, because he had a conversation with Mangwabe, but it seems like Mangwabe, she is not interested for that house.